Today we have this 1938 Underwood Universal vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It comes with this case that has legs that fold into the case, and the typewriter sits right on top. And you can type on it anywhere. Pretty cool. Paper feeds in like any normal typewriter, and the paper bail sits on top. Margins are located behind this flip panel, right here and right here, and you just push in and move them. They're already set where I want them. Right after this paper finger and before that one. It doesn't get stuck or type over it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. To switch it from single to double, there's a little knob here. Underneath this knob, there's a little lever underneath the knob, and you just push that down, and then when you hit the line space, it'll skip 2, down 1 more, and then it'll skip 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. Switch from black to red. You just flip this switch up to the red dot. There's a red, white, and blue dot. The red hits the bottom portion of the ribbon. The white doesn't hit the ribbon at all. It doesn't go up. And the blue hits the top portion of the ribbon. Beautiful typing machine. I'm gonna switch that back down. Underwood made some of the best typewriters of all time. It's very nice, compact. Comes with this. I've never had one of those flip leg cases that the legs come out and it folds right into the case too. So it's completely compact into the case. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch right here forward, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock, or load multiple pages. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. And put that paper bail back down. It's got a backspace on the left side here. That works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit that shift button again. This is your touch control from low to high. The farther down you go, the more tension is loaded on the keys, so you just had to hit them a little harder. I like it on low. This is your winder or direction for your ribbon. So we're going to open the hood here. All the brand new ribbon is loaded here on this right side, so it's pulling to the left, and you can wind it to pull like that, or you can, to switch the direction, you just push it one or the other way. If you push it towards the back, it'll start pulling towards the right side. You push it towards the front, it pulls to the left side, which is what we want it to pull to. And if you get to the end of the one side of your ribbon, it could jam up your vibrator when you're typing, and it seems like the typewriter is malfunctioning. You just need to change the direction or change the ribbon. This flip panel is where you can access those margins like I showed you before. And it has a carriage release on each side. This is your carriage release on the left. This is on the right here. You push that down and you can control that carriage freely. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.